Hello, today I'm going to guide you into how to join as a forever business owner into forever living. Again, this is the UK version, and also I'm going to start with the desktop version, which I'm going to go in full, and then I'll quickly showcase you how to do it on mobile as well later in the video. Firstly, you want to go to the website, which is foreverliving.com. We're just going to accept cookies in this case and accept all of them. Now we're gonna click on the join button top left and then join again. First off, it's forever preferred customer, but today we want to register as an FBO, which you have to scroll down for. Again, FBO stands for Forever Business Owner. It's going to ask if our country of residence United Kingdom, in this case, yes. And now we're greeted with the Start Your Journey pack, which includes the most popular products and also guidance material to start your business. I will also have a video going up shortly, which will cover everything that's included in the pack. Now we get a greeting, welcome to the Forever family. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards becoming a forever business owner. Once you have opted in to becoming a FBO, you'll qualify for 30% off on future purchases and have the opportunity to earn bonuses and incentives through the Forever Marketing Plan. It is illegal for a promoter or participant in a trading scheme to persuade anyone to make a payment by promising benefits from getting others to join the scheme. Do not be misled that high earnings are easily achieved. Please agree to the privacy notice and the terms and conditions and opt in to become a forever business owner by checking the boxes below. We're going to agree to and tick all the boxes. And now press continue. And we have to include first our personal information. In this case, I'll just put Mrs. Vera&Cathy. Going to put the business email. And there you can put your mobile number or your home phone number. It's gonna put a random number. Now for the password. The password should have at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, and do not use any commas, spaces, single quotes, double quotes, semicolons, apostrophes, nor backward slashes. In this case, we're gonna use Vera&Cathy 1 exclamation mark. Again, if you decide to register, please choose a sensible password. Everything that I'm showing today is just for guidance purposes only. Next, we have the VAT ID, and again, you can add it only if you're registered and you should have one. Next, the date of birth, which is day, month, year. And in this case, I'm just going to use the date today, which was 7th of August, and I'm just gonna put the random year 1950. Next, we have personal address. Now again, I'm just gonna put a random postcode in London. Choose your address. It's quite helpful as you can just put your postcode and you have the automatic finder. But now let's say you don't find your address just from the postcode. You can introduce it manually by clicking down below. Again, this is just for showing purposes only, an actual address. Now to the next session. If you got introduced by somebody, and I'll have my code down below, if you want to be in my team, you can put their ID or their email and then click search. Now, if you do not have a sponsor and you didn't get referred by anyone, so you don't know their email or ID, you can take that I wasn't sponsored by anyone, and then you'll put your postcode and you'll randomly get assigned a sponsor within your area. Up next, we have communication disclosure. Sharing limited contact information with others who are part of Forever Business will help facilitate and grow your own Forever Business. Accordingly, you agree to disclosure of the limited contact information you provide to Forever, including information regarding your Forever purchases, but excluding payment card information, to Forever's internal and authorized service providers, including Forever's independent business owners, FBOs. By submitting this application or making a purchase, you also authorize Forever and its FBOs to potentially contact you by phone, fax, mail, and/or email concerning Forever-related matters. Updating preferences. Although we recommend you continue to share limited contact information with others who are part of Forever Business, you can visit your communication preferences and the privacy notice at any time to limit the disclosure of your contact information. I'm actually going to show you in a future video how to do that in your account in case you don't want to be contacted by your sponsor or you wish to keep all your orders anonymized. Now here is the bonus information, which is completely optional, but I'm just going to complete it in this case. You provide the details to your account where you wish to receive your commission bonus. In this case, you're gonna put a random bank sort code, an account number, an account name. Again, put your actual name. It's just for showcasing. We're just gonna click submit and wait a bit. Now we are in, and here you can choose the shipping address. You can also tick the box to save our address. And if we don't see a match or we should deliver to another address, not the one we chose to register, you can click here and you can enter your address manually. We're just going to click next in this case as everything is alright. Going to wait a bit. And here we have the payment information, and I think most of us know how this goes. You put your card details, and you can even choose to pay with PayPal if you don't wish to pay with a credit card. Now we have the mobile version, which is pretty similar. I'm just going to go quickly through it. We click on the hamburger menu on top left, the three bars or three lines. Click join and then join again. We're going to wait for it to load, and we're going to scroll down and then click join as a Forever Business Owner. Click continue. Now add to bag. Very similar to the desktop one. Again, we have to agree to all three to continue. And here I'm just going to put the details as last time. Now click submit and waiting. And again, everything is fine. You have the same options. You can scroll down, you can save the address, you can click here to enter the address manually. A very similar process. And again, you can choose to pay with credit card or PayPal. Well, that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, leave a like and thank you for watching.